everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my craft room tour. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha and I am the owner of Tab's Art Shop. I turn my illustrations into stickers, cards, bookmarks, and more, which you'll see a lot of that in this tour. A bunch of the equipment I use, my favorite furniture, decor, everything. I'm going to show you all of the nicer organized stuff, but also my disorganized drawers and little corners. So this is going to be a full craft room tour. I will try and have everything linked down below in the description if you are interested, just to make it nice and easy for you if you see something that you like and want to check it out. But let's go ahead and get into the tour. Okay, so once you come into my craft room, the first area, it's kind of just a random section. So I have my painting easel, a big giant painting I did, my Legend of Zelda stuff from a Halloween costume like 10 years ago, but I just didn't want to get rid of it because I still love Legend of Zelda. Okay, so first I have my sticker drawers. So I got these from the Container Store. I really need to order another one with the larger size drawers because that's why I had to just get these on a whim. These are from Dollar Tree and they're definitely not bad, but they're just not the best quality. So I need to order another one of these. I have 3 stacked. We move over and I have this little, I actually have 3 of these palette organizers side by side, and I just have some packing material in here, some of my TBR bookmarks that I have ready to go for orders, backing cards. This is actually where I used to have all of my bookmarks that I have since moved to my bookshelf. If you watched a previous video, you've already seen that, but of course I will show you in this video. In this drawer right here, I have my sticker sheets. And I was going to put all of these here, but because they're a little bit thinner, they slightly curve when in these slots. So until I get all of the backing cards made for these, they're just staying in this drawer so they stay nice and flat. In this larger deep drawer, I just have my stamps. So I have all of my domestic stamps, 1 ounce and 2 ounce, and my international. Some actual like ink stamps, my tape, markers, washi tape, some pins and scissors, my 2 corner rounders, so my crocodile and this little small one with the 4 different sizes. I also have my eyelet setter here and the kit. So this little thing here is actually a monitor riser that I just put over here. That way I could fit more stuff and put all of this underneath. So this is a cube bookshelf. I got this from Target. So in the first section, I ordered this divider off Amazon. It fits perfectly in this Target bookshelf. So I have my bookmark paper, my 120 pound and 140 pound matte cardstock, and then my laminate on the bottom one. Over here, I have this clear acrylic organizer. I got this from Michael's and I just got it in person. So I have all of my cellophanes to package my bookmarks and stickers to protect them in transit. So these top 3 drawers are all just different sizes of cellophane. This drawer is a lot of just randomness. I have tassels, I have eyelets, I have some of my prints that I've done, I have rulers, all kinds of different stuff in that drawer. And then this final drawer is actually a bunch of stickers and art prints that I have purchased from other small businesses. So I ordered these little canvas baskets to put underneath, which also just fit really nicely in this cube bookshelf. The first one, I just have all of my bubble mailers, so my larger ones, my smaller ones, and I also have my larger rigid mailers in here as well. So pretty much all of these are just packing material, because this one has just envelopes, a couple of my chipboards to pack with. So that's all of that. And then the last one over here just has some more bubble mailers, the larger ones, and some of the filling that I can use for orders. I also just have some of my poly mailers down there. And then this final one just has some restock stuff. So like extra paper, my photo paper, laminate, sticker paper. Okay, so that's that whole section. Now we're gonna move over to one of my favorite areas of my craft room, my bookshelf. Okay, on the top shelf, I have this strawberry vase. I still need to order some fake flowers to put in there, but as of right now, I just have a little unicorn keychain. So all of my books are pretty much all from either Fairy Loot or Owlcrate. I have subscriptions with both of them. So for Fairy Loot, I get all three of theirs, the adult, the young adult, and the romantasy. With Owlcrate, I have the adult, and I just subscribed to their romantasy, which is a quarterly, so I'll just get 4 books a year with that one. But that's what pretty much all of these are. So these 2 are from Owlcrate, these 4 are from Fairy Loot, and then I have my greeting cards. The second shelf, I have more special edition books. The only ones I didn't get from Fairy Loot or Owlcrate on this shelf are Kiki's Delivery Service. I ordered this off Amazon. And then Manacled, I actually bound that myself. Over here, I have a Kiki's Delivery Service mug, which is a direct scene from the movie. I think I got this from, oh gosh, Hot Topic, maybe, I don't know, 10 or 15 years ago. I've had this for a very long time. And then here's the little box that it came in. Right here, I have a little Wooloo Pokemon air dry clay thing I made quite a while back, probably, oh gosh, probably like 6 or 7 years ago. I made this little guy, and it's actually lasted a very long time. But I would love to get back into clay art. I used to love it, and you will see a few of the little things that I've made around my craft room. But that's that shelf. On this shelf is where I have my new bookmark organizers. So I just ordered these. Of course, I will have them linked down below. I can see every design, which is so nice. It makes it so much easier to just grab and be able to pack them. I still need to round the corners on most of them. And then these 2 are actually my brand new bookmark designs. I have the double-sided daisy, and you may have already seen this design. I actually made these in a recent video that I'll have linked down below. And then the last 2 shelves, I have more special edition books. All of these except, actually, these 2 are Owlcrate, these 3 are Owlcrate, and all the rest are from Fairy Loot. I have some empty boxes, so there's nothing in those. And then down at the bottom, I just have extra sticker paper and my water activated tape. And then right here, I just have a little mushroom ottoman that I ordered off of Walmart. Okay, last section on this first wall, I have a couple art prints. So I actually drew the Kiki prints. These 2 I found on Canva and just changed them a little bit so that matched more of my color theme in my room. And then I have my cozy chair. So this is the swivel barrel chair by Drew Barrymore, I think. I'm sure if you just search that, you'll be able to find it. My fiance bought me my first little jelly cat. I just couldn't resist. I really wanted one just to see what the hype is all about. And I will say, it is so soft and so cute. So I have my Canon Pixma IP8720 printer, the Cricut Explorer Air 2, laptop, label printer, and then this desk, I actually have 3 of these desks around my craft room. All right, I gotta show you Theo because he's just being so cute. So here are the drawers underneath my workstation. So this first drawer is just my enamel pins. I think I have a couple of my lanyards under here as well. The second drawer is just some Christmas tissue paper, kind of where we start getting into the random drawers. So I have some ink, I have some label printer stickers, keypad cover, a random little thing of thread, some sun catcher stuff, a bunch of random stuff in that drawer. This drawer is also kind of random, so some dry erase stuff, some little Sailor Moon keychains. Last drawer in this one is actually cohesive. This is all of my bookbinding stuff. This is where I have all of my extra sticker paper. So these are all already printed and laminated and just need to be cut. Next drawer is just a bunch of clay stuff. So a bunch of these little silicone molds, some clay varnish, a bunch of tools, and these premium soft pastels. I think this drawer is also a bunch of clay. This is all of my DTF transfers for my shirts. And this drawer is just a large cellophanes to be able to package apparel. Then we move over here and I have my laptop, which is hooked up to my printer and my Cricut, my label printer, a random little Scentsy warmer, and I used to take toy photography, so that is one of my very first photos I took. It has been many years since I've done that, but I used to love it, hence why I have a bunch of collectible Nindoroids. Then we have Theo's little fuzzy bed, and he's pretty much taken over this chair completely. So this shelf and desk are attached. I also ordered this off of Amazon. So it's just a big piece here and then a bookshelf attached. So on the top shelf, I have a basket. These two boxes are empty, my notepad papers, and then this thing is just full of miscuts and stuff that I will add to oopsie packs, where I have all of my washi tape and a couple different figurines. I'm a huge nerd, so I'm sure you've noticed that. And then I have some more of my special edition books here that wouldn't fit on the other shelf. I just have some of my poly mailers, glass cans, my ink that I will be recycling, boxes, and camera bag down there. So here I have my heat press. This is the Caesar. I bought this from Michael's. One of my t-shirt rulers in the back, some of my clay figurines, and just some other little figures that I have bought over the years. So a bunch of Kirby. And then this is from Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, so I made that. A little Teddy Ursa Pokemon, another Pokemon, Animal Crossing girl that I made, and Totoro who lost his ear, and then some Sailor Moon stuff. And then here is my sublimation printer. This is just a soft case for my new MacBook. I have a lint roller. So this is all my glossy sticker paper, and then just some of my logos for the backs of my stickers. This one is matte sticker paper, and then the bottom is just like photo papers. This is just full of clay, all of my old screen printing stuff, which ended up just being too messy to use at a rental. So I haven't used any of that in a very long time. It is fun, it's just really messy. Some more sublimation material. Then we're getting into my desk setup. So here I have the little moon light, a little crochet Yoshi, some coasters, camera stuff, notebooks, fake flowers. This is just full of cords and batteries, and then more book binding material. So this hanging shelf I bought from Lowe's. I have a fake plant over there. This little tabs letter thing, I actually need to paint the T and the B because they are too dark of a pink, but I bought those from Michael's. And then I have some of my prints, so my little cherry cow print and my shop logo. And then I just have some more of my little clay figurines that I've made. So like a little Togepi. I have Makar from Zelda, a little clay pumpkin, and then my mom crocheted me this little cactus, which is so cute. So over there I have my MacBook, my Yeti microphone, my headphones, and then my edifier speakers. Of course, my monitor. This little monitor riser down here, my fiance actually made. We just purchased some wood from Lowe's, and then some little mantle, I don't even know what they're called. They're like little mantle ball things that you can screw into the bottom of the wood. So that's what we use to actually raise it. And then I have a Mac Mini that I use as my computer, keyboard, loud, wrist thing. One of my mouse pads I made, a little charger ball for my phone, another fake plant, and then, so this desk, you may have noticed, it is the same desk as the other white ones in my room, but I bought this counter, like vinyl sticker thing that I put on top. I will have it linked down below, and it looks so nice. I'm actually very surprised with how good it turned out. And then I have my crisscross chair. I really wanted a standing desk because I'm getting old and my back hurts. Then I have my laminator, and then underneath it kind of gets a little random. A t-shirt tagger, some scrapers, ribbon organizer, some tape. It's kind of random there. Here is just some sublimation stuff, so inks, mouse pads. Down here I have all of my vinyls for my Cricut. And then this last one is all of that screen printing stuff. So inks. Thank you so much for watching. I am out of breath. That was a lot of talking. I hope you enjoyed this craft room tour. If you have any questions about anything I showed in this video, definitely leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.